Worth it ba talaga ang Telesin Mini Fill Light? Kung meron kang DJI Osmo Action 6 or Osmo Nano, ang tanong is simple. Kailangan mo ba talaga ng extra light? Kasi kung mostly daytime ka naman nagsushoot outdoors, baka hindi ito priority accessory mo. Pero kung madalas ka nagvi-video indoors sa gabi, or sa location na inconsistent ang lighting, doon nagiging useful yung ganitong maliit na fill light. It has 25 LED beads and adjustable brightness. With 5 brightness levels, so may control ka kung gaano karaming light ang kailangan mo instead na isang fixed brightness lang. Plus, magnetic quick release yung design, specifically for compatible Action 6 and Osmo Nano setups. So, ang appeal nito isn't simply may ilaw. It's the convenience of having a compact light that can be attached and removed quickly. Another advantage is the IPX5 water-resistant design. Good consideration siya for outdoors creators, especially kung possible kang maabutan ng rain or water spray. Pero reminder lang, IPX5 doesn't mean submersible siya. So, worth it ba? For Action 6 or Osmo Nano users who regularly shoot in low light or changing lighting conditions, definitely working checking. Pero kung puro bright daylight ka lang naman, you can probably live without it. Kung gusto mong makita kung magkano siya ngayon, check mo yung product link and decide kung bagay ba talaga sa shooting style mo.